Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you're using the SofaScore app on your Android phone and need help, this video is for you. I'll show you step-by-step how to contact SofaScore support directly from within the app. It's simple, fast, and ensures your issue gets to the right team. First, open the SofaScore app on your Android device. Make sure you are in the Profile section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap the Settings icon to access app settings. Scroll down and select the option called About SofaScore. Inside this section, tap on the Email SofaScore option. You'll now be asked to choose an email app. Select Gmail, Outlook, or any email service you use. An email draft will open with SofaScore's email address already filled in. Now, enter a subject that summarizes your issue, and in the main message area, describe your problem clearly. Once you've written your message, tap on Send. That's it. Your message will be sent to the SofaScore support team. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you contact SofaScore support, consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.